How to read old chats on Instagram without scrolling. In order to read old chats on Instagram, you can use Instagram search function, which allows us to find the specific messages, making us easier to navigate through the old chats. So for that, you have to open up Instagram and make sure that you're logged into your account. So once you have launched the application on your device, tap on the chat icon at the top right corner. That will open up your direct message. Here you have to open up the conversation with a specific person where you want to find the old conversation. If not, you can simply search in the search bar and search for that account. And once you're under the conversation with an account where you want to find the old conversation, navigate towards the top and then you have to tap on their profile name. So once you're here, under their profile name, you will have the search icon. Tap on search. And in the search bar, all you have to do is type in the keyword related to the old conversation that you want to find. And then tap on search. So once you type in the keyword, the Instagram will display all the relevant chats. Tap on the conversation to open it. And there you can see now you can go to the old conversation like this using the search feature on Instagram. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.